one, action.
So you'll need these screws to be laid out. Each screw will use one washer, one spring washer, and 2 nuts. And then you'll have a locking pin and a Carter pin, and then you got the wheel hubs. The bigger, so what I recommend is have, just a tip and trick is to have this. You can find a piece of wood after you've assembled this rear chassis. You can find a piece of wood, and then a piece of wood that maybe a small log or even some bricks to stand the power tiller up, and you can let somebody hold it at the handlebars just to balance it. Now, when we assemble the wheel hub, you take the bigger piece and you take the first hole to line it up with. You'll take the smaller piece and you'll line it up. So when you line it up, there's a hole, the first hole that I showed you. You'll take this pin, insert it from the bottom or the top, whichever way is easiest for you. And then you'll use a Carter pin. This Carter pin will go in here to lock it. Now once you've locked it, you can start bolting it up. See, I have my washer, then I put my 2 nuts on. Tighten the first nut, and then you tighten the second nut after the first one is tightened. That way, the second nut will lock the first nut from rolling back out, and they won't come loose. So as you can see, we've got it all locked down. We've got the second nut tightened down to the first one. This will prevent the nuts from backing out or loosening up. So you put the 4 bolts in and then lock it down with one washer and 1 nut. Okay. Stop.